Here, we will show you how to transfer music from a computer to an Android phone so that you can listen to music at any time or anywhere. Way 1. How to transfer music from computer to Android with Android Assistant Windows, PC or Mac. Step 1. Launch Coolmuster Android Assistant and connect your Android device to the computer via USB or Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen prompt to enable USB debugging on your Android phone. After that, the program will automatically recognize your phone. Step 2. Once your Android phone is connected successfully, the program will show the main interface and start to detect your Android phone data. Step 3. Now, you'll notice that all your phone data has been scanned out and shown on the left menu. Please tap the music icon and all of your songs in your phone will be shown. Just click on the import icon in the right column and then select the wanted songs from the computer. Way 2. How to download music from computer to Android phone with Google Play Music. 1. Download Google Play Music on your computer. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Google Chrome. 2. Sign into Google using your Google account on your computer after you installed it. Please make sure the Google account contains the music you want. 3. Go to the Google Play Music web player on your computer and navigate to the Upload Music section. 4. Select music from your computer and drag and drop it into the upload area. 5. Once you have uploaded music from your computer to your Google Play Music account, please sign into the same Google account on your Android phone to download music from Google Play Music. Please make sure to use Wi-Fi to download music from Google Play Music. Otherwise, you might use too much mobile data, which may cost a lot. Way 3. How to sync music from computer to Android with AirDroid. 1. Download AirDroid on all your devices to be used. 2. Launch the app on your mobile phone and find the Connection tab. 3. From the second URL bar, you can get the IP address of the network that your mobile phone is connected to. 4. Enter the IP address into a browser on your computer. 5. Then click on Accept on your phone to connect to devices. 6. Finally, you can drag and drop the music files you want to transfer from the computer to AirDroid. Way 4. How to transfer music from PC to Android with a USB cable. 4.1 Sync music to Android from Windows PC with a USB cable. 1. Connect your Android to your computer with a USB cable. 2. Drag down the notifications panel from the top of your device's screen and tap Media Device Me TP. In this way, you can transfer media files from your PC to your device and vice versa. 3. Make sure your device is successfully connected to the computer. Open the portable device and locate the folder where music files are stored. 4. Then select and copy the music files you want to move from the computer to your Android phone. 4.2. Transfer music to Android from Mac via USB cable. 1. Download and install Android file transfer on your Mac. 2. Connect your Android to your Mac with a USB cable. 3. Drag down the notifications panel from the top of your device's screen and tap Media Device Me TP. 4. Select the music files you wish to transfer from your computer and place them into the music folder on your Android device in Android File Transfer.